In this video we have Moto Edge 50 Fusion smartphone, and I'll show you all the camera settings and hidden feature of the camera app of this smartphone. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. So this phone comes with 50 megapixel primary camera, 32 pixel selfie camera and 13 pixels of ultra wide camera. This can record up to 4K quality video, and this phone is full of OIS camera as well, so you can record your video without that shaky footages. So let's discuss some of the features and amazing hidden features as well of the camera app of the smartphone. So if you open the camera, by default it looks something like this. It has slow motion, video, photo, portrait, pro and more options. So let's talk about these one by one. The first one is slow motion. Of course, it records your video up to 420 fps. You can change it from 120 to 240. It has also the audio disabling mode as well. You can enable and disable the flashlight in the slow motion mode as well. You can record full HD or HD slow motion. You can also zoom your slow motion video up to 2x. The next one is video mode. You can also record ultra wide video in the smartphone. You can also zoom up to 10x. I think it has flash and this stabilization mode. You can enable this, and or you can also disable this if you don't want stabilization. It has different aspect ratio as well. You can select from here, from full screen to 9:16. We will talk about the settings later in this video. Let's talk about the photo mode of this smartphone. So it has ultra wide mode, and you can also zoom in up to 10x, I think. Yeah, and there's the flash mode. You can enable or disable this. It has the auto enhance mode as well. If you like your image little natural, then select natural, otherwise click on auto enhance, then it will boost your colors little bit. It has the timer on the top, and here also aspect ratio. You can change from 1:1, 3:4 to 9:16. It has portrait mode as well. You can use this to click your portrait pictures. You can also use your selfie camera to click your portrait images as well. And it has different lenses for this portrait mode. It has 24mm, 35mm and 50mm lens mode in the portrait mode. You can also adjust the background blur of the portrait mode from this F button. It has pro mode, but it is for photos only. You can't record your video in pro mode. Like a standard pro mode, it has focus, white balance, shutter speed, ISO, and it has flash light option, and it has timer. You can change the format of your photo as well. You can change the aspect ratio. And the last one is scan. Here you can click pictures of any document and it will change it to PDF file and something like this. You can use this one for your documents. Let's talk about some other modes that comes in more option of this camera app. The first one is spot color. So this one is if you want to keep a single color in your photo and the other elements should be black and white, then you can use this. Just select the color you want to keep and then increase the intensity here, and then it will only keep that color. Next one is night vision and panorama. The ultra resolution, it will click the highest quality photo. The next one is dual capture. It will enable the front and back camera at the same time. This one is photo booth, so you can click like 4 images and set a timer. It will click 4 images and turn it into a collage. This one is straight shift. You can adjust the background blur. You can keep it to a particular area. There's time lapse, spot colors and dual capture. Let's talk about some settings. It has short optimization, so it will auto enhance your colors. You can enable the watermark of the smartphone. Audio zoom is a great feature. You can enable this, and whenever you will zoom in while recording a video, then it will increase or enhance the audio of that particular area. It is efficient video. You can enable this if you live stream or broadcast your videos. This one is selfie mirror. The next one is capture method. You can click a photo by this gesture. You can show your palm. You can smile to click your picture, or you can also enable this one, tap anywhere to capture. So whenever you will tap anywhere on the screen, it will click the photograph. There is option of capture assistant. You can enable that grid lines and leveler as well. So yeah, this one is keep last mode. If you enable this, then it will remember the last mode you have opened, and whenever you will reopen your camera app, it will open that specific mode. So you can enable this. This is a great feature. The last one is save location. You can enable this and it will save your location in your pictures as well. So these were some hidden features and settings of the camera app of Moto Edge 50 Fusion. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, have fun.